Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the complicated relationship between the US and Mexico. Now, it's time to test what you've learned. Is the US-Mexico border only 500 miles long? No. The border between the US and Mexico is nearly 2,000 miles long. Did Mexico win the Mexican-American War? No, the United States won the war, and Mexico lost a large portion of its territory. Do the US and Mexico trade billions of dollars in goods every day? Yes, they are major economic partners with strong trade connections. Was Texas originally part of Mexico? Yes, Texas was part of Mexico before becoming a U.S. state. Does Mexican culture have little influence in the U.S.? No, Mexican culture has a big influence in the U.S., especially in food, music, and traditions. Do people travel north through Mexico to reach the U.S.? Yes, many people from Central and South America pass through Mexico hoping to reach the U.S. Is immigration the only challenge between the two countries? No. There are other challenges like drug trafficking, border security, and economic inequality. Do the US and Mexico have no economic agreements? No. They have strong economic agreements like USMCA. Is the relationship between the US and Mexico simple and conflict-free? No. It is complex and rooted in a long history of cooperation and conflict. Are the US and Mexico completely disconnected in culture and people? No, they are very connected through shared families, culture, and daily interactions. Remember to watch the video several times, answer the questions out loud, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future episodes of this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.